Do you give verbal permission to participate as a model in this assessment assignment and be recorded for school purposes for Aspen University class N495?
Yes.
This assessment is intended to show my skills with the assessment actions only and is not to be used as direction for your health status or follow up with any irregular findings. Do you understand this?
Yes.
So I'm going to wash my hands, gather all my stuff. Knock, knock, knock. Hi, I'm Billy, and I will be your nurse today, and I will be doing your assessment. Can you please verify your name and date of birth for me?
Christopher Hawkins, July 22nd, 1998.
Okay. And I have Christopher Hawkins, July 22nd, 1998. Okay. All right. And first of all, I'm going to get a set of vital signs. Let's get this other finger. Blood pressure. Just relax your arm. over 66. Got an O2 set of 97%. That's great. Let's get your temperature. Now this is an infrared thermometer, so I'm just going to point, scan, and then it'll give me a temp.
Your body temperature is 98.40 degrees Fahrenheit.
Okay. And then I'm just going to check your heart rate. On a scale of 0 to 10, are you experiencing any pain?
0.
So first I'm going to just kind of assess your head and facial structures. Now, I'm just going to have you just open the jaw, close, open, close. Have you heard any type of clicking sound when you do that?
No.
Great. And then I'm just going to check your trachea right here to make sure that we don't have any lumps. All right, great. So I'm just going to check for facial sensation. Okay, now clench your jaw. Okay, and I'm just going to take your glasses off for just a few moments while we do this. Okay, jaw clench. Okay. You feel that?
Mm-hmm.
Right there.
Yep.
Okay. Okay. Now I'm just going to check symmetry. Now raise your eyebrows. Okay. Close your eyes. Smile. Frown. like for you to repeat these 3 words for me. Light, tight, dynamite.
Light, tight, dynamite.
Okay, now I'm just going to check your lymph nodes. If I start pushing too hard, just let me know. Okay, so just going to check your skin and make sure that you don't have any issues. I'll take a look at your legs. Got a little bit of bruising. And a little mark right there on your... Is that from having your shoes a little too tight?
Yep.
Just going to check to make sure you're not dehydrated. Okay. Cap refills are less than 3 seconds. Okay. I'm just going to check to make sure you don't have any edema. And that's fluid collection. Okay, that's no edema. Okay. And I'm just going to take a look at your eyes. Okay. So what I'm going to have you do is look forward and just using your eyes only, follow the pen light. Okay. Now I just want to check your peripheral vision. Okay, so stare at me and then tell me when you start seeing the light.
Right now.
Okay, and over on this side.
Right now.
Okay, good. Okay. Staring at my nose, I'm going to flash this light just to check your reflex on your eyes. Okay. Your eyes have a little bit of a green tint. So I'm just gonna, how long have you been gauging out your ears like that?
1.5, 2 years.
Okay. Is that causing any pain? Any redness, irritation, drainage from those?
No.
Okay. I'm just gonna check your ear. Okay. And just see a little bit of wax buildup in there. And then with the otoscope, I would look at the tympanic membrane and the tympanic membrane. So next I'm going to check your nose, throat, and mouth. Okay, just going to take a look at the nose. Does that septum hurt right there when it was pierced? Okay. So if you'll open up, stick your tongue out. Okay. See a little bit of swelling in the tongue. And then I'd like for you to say, open wide, stay out your tongue and say ah.
Ah.
Just check your sinuses. Any pain or discomfort when I push down?
Nope.
What about right here?
Nope.
Okay.
Nope.
I can just have you kind of sit forward, and I'm just going to take a listen. Okay. Deep breath. Exhale. I want you to say 99 whenever you're feeling touch.
99. 99. 99. 99.
I'm just gonna sit up here. Just listen again. Sorry about that. No pain when you're breathing.
No.
Now I'm going to just listen for your heart tones. Great. Okay. I'm just going to check your carotid. Now, I can just have you kind of lean back. I just want to check your abdomen. I'm just going to listen for our bowel tone. Are you pretty regular with your bowel movements?
Yep.
I'm just going to palpate. Just tell me if there's any tenderness. Right there.
No.
There. So I'm just going to check your joints. Still just. Does that hurt?
No.
That?
No. No.
That?
No.
That?
No. No.
Check these. Okay. Does that hurt when I stretch your bed?
No.
What about right here?
No.
What about that?
No.
What about that?
No.
Now I'm just going to check your grip strength, and this is just to check resistance. Squeeze.